Sound is all around us. It is the air vibrating, reaching our ears. These vibrations can be soft or loud, high or low. We hear music, voices, and the sounds of nature. Noise is also sound, but we experience it differently. Noise is unwanted sound. It can be loud, sudden, or unpleasant. Think of traffic, construction, or a loud argument. The difference between sound and noise is often personal. What is noise to one person might be music to another. Our ears are amazing organs. They pick up sound waves and turn them into signals. Our brains understand these signals as different sounds. We don't just hear sounds, we feel them too. Loud noises can make our hearts race. Gentle sounds can soothe us. Think about the sound of rain. Some find it peaceful, others find it gloomy. Our experiences shape how we react to sounds. Not all noise is bad. Some sounds, even if they are technically noise, can be helpful. White noise is a steady sound, like a fan. It can block out other noises, helping us sleep or focus. Nature sounds, like rain or bird song, can be very calming. They can remind us of peaceful places. Some people use these sounds to relax or improve their concentration. Section 4. The unwanted guest noise pollution. Too much noise can be harmful. We call this noise pollution. Living in noisy places can be stressful. It can make it hard to sleep, think, or even hear. Loud noises can damage our hearing. This is especially true for very loud sounds like concerts or machinery. Noise pollution isn't just a problem for us. It can also harm animals, disrupting their communication and behavior. Section 4. Finding harmony in the everyday orchestra. We live in a world full of sound. We can't always have silence, but we can learn to find harmony in the everyday orchestra of our lives. Try to notice the pleasant sounds around you, the birds singing, the wind in the trees, the laughter of children. Use calming sounds to create a peaceful atmosphere at home or work. Protect your hearing by wearing earplugs in noisy environments. By being mindful of sound, we can create a more harmonious world for ourselves and others.